Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a short one and it's about why and how I became a garden designer and what actually made me change my mind and decide to change careers. People usually do decide to come into either garden design or planting design when they feel like they have a very close affinity to nature and they want to nourish that, and they love plants and design and they love being creative, but they don't necessarily have a huge plant knowledge. So for example, my story is that after basically hitting my 30th birthday, I felt like there is something missing in my life. I always was close to nature, I always was close to gardens and plants. So I kind of decided to leave my front of house career, which was progressing. I was climbing the ladder, as we say, but I felt like I need something more. And as I said, I was being successful in my career, but I didn't really feel fulfilled. I didn't feel the inner kind of fulfillment. And I was already looking at a lot of garden design shows, and obviously every year I would watch the Chelsea flower show. So I kind of looked up and researched this domain, and I came up with an idea that I do want to be a garden designer because I love being creative, and it seemed like a perfect combination of the design and the nature together. So that's how I decided to change my career and become a garden designer. So yeah, people in general just like the creative work, and also when you do have the chance to do work that it's also fulfilling and enhances other people's lives, that's the best thing that can happen to you. So yeah, very briefly, this is how I became a garden designer. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and I will see you next time.